What's up, everybody? We are here in Bacolod.
Yes.
We're here in Bacolod City. Look, you can see behind us the MassKara Festival.
Yeah.
We're in the middle of the street, man. We got the streets all closed down.
From the 2nd Street to the 22nd Street.
Yeah, it's all
closed.
shut down.
Yeah.
So the festival is going to be, it's from the October 1st to the 19th, but the bulk of it is kind of around here. They got events like every day,
Yes.
different stuff going on. But coming up over the next couple of days is going to be just incredible.
Yes.
I'm super stoked, super excited. With a big parade on, what is that, Sunday? Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. Yeah, so I don't have all the calendar and events up right now, but we're going to kind of take you along as things come up. We're hearing stages and concerts and a big party. We're hearing the speakers going boom, boom, boom,
Yeah.
boom a minute ago, so that was pretty wild.
And you were like, let's get a Red Bull.
A Red Bull? Yeah.
So we'll stay
Otherwise, I'll be
outside.
asleep by 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
pretty good riding, right? We've done a bunch of riding, guys. We've rode all the way from Butuan to.
Yeah.
Let's walk and talk. We've rode all the way down from Butuan all the way over, right?
Yes.
So we did that video from Butuan to CDO already.
Yes.
But we haven't really updated anyone since.
Yeah.
So we did the marathon epic 9-hour ride.
9-hour ride from CDO to Dapitan.
Dapitan. Guys, Dapitan. If you're not a member of the Patreon page, check that out because I go into detail on Dapitan. Dapitan is really, I love that place.
Yeah.
So
Feels
cool.
like home for us.
Yeah, it really does.
It's like a province vibe.
Yeah, no, absolutely dig that. We'll put in some footage here of Dapitan. Just amazing sunsets.
Yeah.
Beautiful
Yeah.
boardwalk and baywalk area.
Yes,
I mean, come on.
agree.
Just incredible. So yeah, that was a 9-hour ride that we did. I just started using Reaver, I think it's called, the navigation system, and I'll put in some footage from that too, like the map layout and stuff. I'm still kind of working my way through that, navigating the navigation app. But yeah, so we did that ride. We stayed, 4 nights?
4 nights in
Dapitan.
Dapitan.
Sat and watched sunset. Did time lapse. We'll show you some time lapse
Yeah.
stuff. Really cool time lapse stuff. So that was fun. And then from Dapitan, there's a ferry that crosses right over to Dumaguete. It's a 4-hour ride.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we spent the night in Dumaguete, and we wandered around Dumaguete, walked around the boardwalk area. What was your thoughts?
We just stayed there one night. My thought in Dumaguete, I was like,
Yeah.
why do foreigners love there?
Why do
Like,
foreigners like it?
Yeah, because there's no beach, like no beautiful mountains like what we have in Mindanao.
Right.
And no falls or whatever. I was like, why do they like there when it's not really that good?
So
And
you've got the downtown area, but
Yeah.
Valencia and the mountain areas
Oh,
is
yeah.
what there's out there, which we didn't go see.
yeah, but
So-
my
Right. No, I hear you.
Yeah.
I'm with you, babe. It's not.
so traffic.
It's not for me either. Yeah, lots of traffic. You're right.
It's so traffic. I don't
Yep.
like really the traffic there is bad. A lot of drives.
Yeah.
Oh my God, there's a lot of drivers so bad.
Yes,
My God.
drivers were horrible. Check out the
Yes.
Mountain Dew stand behind us. Yeah, epic. So yeah, no, so that was Dumaguete. We spent just one night there. We got
yeah.
out and we spent last night in San Carlos.
San Carlos.
Yeah, what about that little town? Not too
San
bad, right?
Carlos is not too bad. It's good, but it's different vibe than Dapitan. The Dapitan, I can tell that it feels like home, that I can live there. But the San Carlos, not really, but it's good.
Right.
And we stayed in a pretty good hotel because we have free access in a
Beautiful
gym.
hotel. Yes.
Yeah,
Went and worked out in the
went to-
gym. We'll show you some of the gym footage. Actually, that gym was probably one of the better
Yeah.
gyms that I've seen.
Yeah, it's nice there.
Worked them chicken wings.
Yeah.
Yeah, that hotel and what was the name of it? Perla? Whatever.
Paula.
Yeah.
Paula Hotel.
Really good hotel and
Yes,
yeah.
it's clean.
How much was it?
1,850.
1.8. So cheap, guys. So cheap. I
Yeah.
mean, super cheap.
And then
But
there's a restaurant next to it.
we're in a hotel here. What's the name of the place we're staying here?
Saltimbuca.
Yeah.
Saltimbuca Inn.
And how much is that? We said like
It's,
2 a night.
Yeah. A free breakfast.
So
We
two-
paid 9,000 from
4
October
nights.
16 to October 20.
Yeah. So 4 nights.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then not bad. Not bad.
Yes, it's
yeah,
good
pretty
to
cheap.
have swimming pool too.
Yeah. No, we'll show you guys a little bit of that too. But yeah, so we're, like she was saying, we're here in town for several nights, and we're here for the MassKara Festival.
Yes.
I've been trying to get to the MassKara Festival now for, I mean, how many years?
2.
At least, right? 2 or
Yeah.
maybe even 3 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been kind of rough.
Yeah.
Last year I had my reservation, everything booked.
Yeah, oh my God.
And because of the low pressure system, all the ferries were shut down.
Yeah, and I
So-
can't believe that it was cancelled and it's so expensive. And good thing about now our hotel, we just pay 50%,
Right.
and then 50 when we come here. So.
Yeah, so last year I wasn't able to come because of the low pressure.
Yeah.
This year everything's working out.
Yes.
So.
And I think too, one of the thing there that we're able to come here because we live in Butuan now, not
Right.
in Leyte or
Right.
Cebu.
Yeah. No, it was, well, it took us a while to get over here. You can see here, guys, they're over here, they're setting up this stages. So they're
Yeah.
really, I think we got here just in time. You know, I think things are going to start
Yeah.
ramping up. It gives us really this day to kind of
Yes.
get our feel for how it's going to be, you know, the lay of the land and
Yeah.
how things are going to go.
The
Looks like,
highlights are 16, 17, 18, and 19.
yeah, it looks like the parade route is kind of right down this road here. So, yeah, this is going to be fun. I'm super stoked. Stay tuned, guys, for a bunch of stuff coming from here, right?
Yeah.
We just got here, so. And then what our plan is too, kind of going forward, is we're gonna go back. So we were not in a little bit of a rush, obviously. Like we were saying, we spent 4 nights in Dapitan, but on the way back, we're really gonna slow roll it. You know, so
Yeah.
we'll do a lot more. I'll do a lot more motovlogging through this area. Some of the best motorcycle riding in all of the Philippines is right around here. We rode a little
Yes.
bit of that today.
Yeah.
Although the road was under construction. What did you think about the riding around this area?
The bad thing about riding around this area earlier, I can't really enjoy it because I'm driving.
Right. So you have to focus on the road.
Yeah, I have to focus because it's so curvy.
It's so curvy.
And you
It's
have
like,
to be attentive because there are a lot of bad riders.
It's true.
Like, my
It's true.
God.
What'd you say? It's like chicken intestine?
Yeah, chicken intestine. And it's so nice, but I have to focus on the road. And I was like, oh my God, I wish to be a passenger princess. but-
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
well.
so you enjoy the riding, but you
Yeah.
can't wait to ride and see it. So we'll do some of that.
Yeah.
We'll stay in the area. We'll do a lot of touring around here. We'll get the camera going from the bike. You kind of talk a lot about that. So that's more to come. Obviously, a lot more from the MassKara Festival. We're here for 4 days.
Yes.
We're gonna shoot a ton of stuff here. I think what I'll probably do, provided I can find a good space to upload videos, I might upload a little more than once a week. So, oh, nice gym. But yeah, guys, Anytime Fitness just walked by. All right, well, I think that'll wrap it up for this video, guys. We're just getting here. We're just getting started. It is going to be a big party, so stay tuned. We are live from Bacolod. Yeah, man, I'm digging it. I'm digging it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. You get more stages all around us here. So, all right, guys, that'll do it for this video. I'm kind of rambling on at this point. So, we'll probably upload hopefully this video here soon, but then we'll upload more content coming up. So, Empin, ayo ayo.
And feed that good wolf.
Yes, feed the good wolf. All right.
Al Fisher, Casino Filipino.
9:48.